This 129-pound 10 by 13 Oriental rug arrived to my facility from Massachusetts. And this one, 9 by 12, came from California. What is common to all the rugs that came to my facility? The urine odor. Nobody like the smell of the urine odor. And I am the only one. PetPeePee is the only place in United States that's guarantee the removal of the urine odor, because we using the Dead Sea Cleaner, a cleaning product that's never deposit any unpleasant smell into your Oriental rug. Let's listen to the vacuum and the sound of the clear, low pressure water. To protect your Oriental rug during the cleaning process, I never use any scrubber or carpet cleaner equipment. Nobody touch the Oriental rug in the wet cleaning process. This will ensure that your rug will be protected. It will be shiny, bright, never color run, never. This is my guarantee in writing. And when I complete the cleaning process, I brush the rug one way and let it dry on the floor flat. Now, after 24 hours, the rug will be dry completely. I fold the rug in a special way. Please stay tuned and see how to fold the rug in the right way. At the end of the video, all the information how to ship the rug, the phone number, and the guarantee. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee video. Thank you. Folding Oriental rug for shipping or for storage the right way. Flip the Oriental rug so the back of the rug will face to the ceiling. Fold the rug the right way. Do not put tape on the rug. Put the rug in the garbage bag. The big 55-gallon drum, 8 by 10, will go perfectly into it. Pictures of the package and text it to 954-594-2564. We will email you the UPS label. Put the label on the bag, and we will arrange UPS to come to your door and pick it up. Thank you very much. PetPeePee Oriental Rug Drapery Cleaning from dog and cat urine odor.